A hunter once captured a rabbit. The rabbit was scared at first, but then calmed itself down. It was a brilliant rabbit. He thought of a plan to save himself. He said to the hunter, "I will show you a place full of gold to keep you rich for the rest of your life if you let me go." The hunter got very greedy after listening to the tale. He said, "Where is the place? You will have to show it to me now." The clever rabbit replied, "You first have to leave me. Then you can follow me." The moment the hunter placed the rabbit on the ground, the rabbit ran away. The hunter watched the rabbit flee in deep regret, but he could do nothing now. Being patient will help you in every situation.